Right. Next, if at any time we see that the Ustad is upset or engaged or some other issues, he's in deep thoughts, he's worried about something else, then at such time don't question him, speak to him at another time. You'll be surprised, many a times I am so engulfed with one matter that somebody has asked me a question and I'm just thinking what's how I'm going to resolve the matter, and somebody is coming with asking another question, right? So automatically I'm also human, and I might say something frustrating, right? But he doesn't realize that my mind is going through it. So if you realize that the face is like he's preoccupied and everything, give him the time, right? No need to pressure him for some reason. And the same applies if a person is preoccupied. These are general decorum ideas for the teacher and a student. If you're going to keep this kind of a decorum with the teacher, you will find your relationship with the teacher is going to ease out. When I started studying at the madrasa, in the beginning, my situation was actually very different from most of the general normal students, and that was because I was already 24 years old when I went to the madrasa. Normally students are 14-15 years old when they go to the madrasa for alamiya, for the scholarship and everything, right? So I was already 10 years late. So literally when I was sitting here, the kid who used to sit next to me, he was 10 years younger than me. Okay, so it's a completely different mindset. I was more composed because I had now gone through university and everything, and now I was sitting there. But that kid is just 14-15 year old. He's wild. He's already like wanting to do a lot of things, right? So these things they are different as per the environment. Right, so learn the environment and assess how you have to handle it. The more you are going to handle it with empathy and understanding how others go through it, the more you realize that the teachers are going to get open up to you. You won't feel cocooned or shied down, and you will be able to benefit more from the teachers. Teachers are there to benefit you. That's why they have the ulum. They don't have the ulum so that they can show you that they have ulum. No. Once we learn something, and this I learned after having learned, right? Once we learn something, now it's my religious duty that I must dispense that knowledge. I will be asked about it. So I am happy that somebody is taking knowledge from me, because at least now I can tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, you provided students, I disseminated. Right? So we want to give, but you have to learn, come to the level of the temperament of the teacher to acquire it. That's the lubbi lubab, or the essence of the whole thing, right? Other than that, the teachers are there, and they will help you wherever you go.